Okay, so let's get started. With my foundation routine, I normally use a primer. And what I've noticed about silicone primers now, well, not that I noticed, but also I YouTube, that silicone primers can sometimes move your foundation and will cause it to be a little patchy. So I don't really use this one too often now, but I was still using it because, Smashbox is kind of expensive, so go ahead and use it anyway. So I would prime like my whole entire face, and then I would go in with my foundation. This is a Kat Von D Lock-It Tattoo foundation that I use in the summertime. I'm normally not this dark, of course in the winter, but this is the shade that matched me at Sephora. Now, I did notice that I went a little heavy with the foundation. All you do to correct that is go ahead and blend it out and then soak it up with your sponge by pressing it into the skin and blending it down on your neck as well, so it doesn't look like you have a mask on. So if you notice my nails were actually done by me. I had these nails for 2 weeks, and if y'all are not on press-on nails, well, not necessarily, well, yeah, press-on nails and the nails that you can really just go on Amazon, buy, cut them, and paint them how you want, it's better than spending $25, I'm telling you. I'm going in with the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn. I do the typical, little triangles and my little devil's mustaches, I like to call it. But back on these nails, sis. Okay, so if you're not on these press-on nails or doing your nails yourself, y'all, you will save so much money. Like I'm not even a person that likes extra long nails anymore. So I've kind of been more so simple and short. So if you're going simple and short, you might as well just go ahead and get these press-on nails, or go to Amazon, order you the whole little nail kit and do them yourself. So I'm still blending out my face. When it comes to blending, do not rush your blending, because if you rush your blending, it's gonna look harsh. It doesn't look like everything just meshed well together and is melted into your face. You want it to look like it's, nice and slutty, I guess. But I'm taking the Mercier powder. Is it Laura Mercier or Laura Mercier? I hear people say two different things, so I'm not even sure myself. But I just take that and set my face. When I want just that natural look, I just set my whole entire face. But when I want that dramatic look, that Slade snatch look, I'll go ahead and use that Sacha Buttercup to bring out that highlight, that concealer that I had set under my eyes and my chin, forehead. I'll use that. But this will be somewhat an everyday if I were to wear makeup every day. Now this palette I love, the True Complexion palette that I contour with. I will contour with this angle brush, like this fluffy angle brush that I had forever, and I will contour like the top of my forehead, and I recently started doing my jawline because I feel like my face has gotten fatter in my eyes because I love to eat. So I want to snatch my face and give the appearance that, oh, you have a slimmer face, even though in my head I don't. But when I contour my nose, I pinch my brush and kind of lightly go down the sides of my nose. I hear this all the time, like, Sadie, why do you contour your nose when your nose is little? It's already, I don't care. It's not about me just having a smaller nose. I just wanted to look kind of snatch, I guess, but not that pinch look, So I set it my face with the MAC Fix Plus spray and dry it. I love that spray. Now the lashes that I use, actually I got them from a girl who did my hair. Her name is Sky, the hairstylist, on Instagram.